A321neo, taxi to stand 3. Ryanair clear for pushback and engine start. Pushback complete, sign on the right, have a great flight. Aer Lingus clear for push and start. Aer Lingus taxi to 36 left via Bravo. Dear passengers, thank you for flying Turkish Airlines. The local time here is 4 o'clock. And we hope to see you back on board soon.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on board of this flight. While we are in the middle of this authentic Royal Delft pottery, we would like to explain the safety information on board of your KLM flight through the fine art of Delft Blue.
Please pay attention to every detail.
Ready to connect.
For your safety, make sure your carry-on luggage is stowed during taxi, takeoff and landing. Small electronic devices may be used at all times when set in airplane mode and secured in your hand or pocket.
Good afternoon, passengers. This is a pre-boarding announcement for Flight 89B to Rome. We are now inviting those passengers with small children and any passengers requiring special assistance to begin boarding